Paramount Access Television has been serving our community for nearly 3 decades. From community-based projects to local meetings, we cover the pulse of the community. CATTV is
a place to have your voice heard.
Free speech.
Opening the door to local government.
A place to learn new technology.
A way to stay informed.
Open to new ideas.
Community.
Unbiased.
Local.
Engaging.
Award-winning.
Storytelling.
Television made by you.
As we enter a new decade, CATTV will continue to meet the community's needs, and we are excited about our future. From underwriting to production services, we offer quality video content for all. CATTV will be moving to new channels: 1075 Public, 1085 Government, and 1095 Arts and Education. And we are now included in the Interactive Program Guide, a new video-on-demand system to watch content 24/7, 365, and more to make the experience of watching CATTV even better. Stay connected with us. Sign up for our newsletter. Become a member. Donate to support our mission. CATTV, your source for everything local.